As teenagers transition from childhood to adulthood, they face a world full of new challenges and responsibilities. Developing essential life skills during this period is crucial to navigating these changes successfully and becoming well-rounded, capable adults. Here are 10 life skills every teen should know. 1. Time management. One of the most critical life skills a teenager can develop is effective time management. With school, extracurricular activities, social events, and possibly even part-time jobs, teens have to juggle multiple responsibilities. Learning to prioritize tasks, set deadlines, and allocate time efficiently can help reduce stress and improve productivity. Techniques such as using a planner, setting goals, and breaking tasks into smaller steps can be particularly beneficial. 2. Financial literacy. Understanding money management is vital for teens as they approach adulthood. This skill encompasses budgeting, saving, and understanding the basics of credit and debt. Teaching teens about the value of money, how to save for future goals, and how to manage expenses like bills or entertainment costs will prepare them for financial independence. Concepts like interest rates, credit scores, and the importance of avoiding unnecessary debt are also important lessons. 3. Communication skills. Effective communication is essential in every aspect of life. Teens should learn to express themselves clearly and respectfully, both in writing and verbally. This includes active listening, understanding non-verbal cues, and learning to give and receive constructive feedback. Strong communication skills can help teens in their personal relationships, academic endeavors, and future professional lives. 4. Decision-making. The ability to make informed decisions is a critical life skill. Teens should be taught how to weigh the pros and cons of various options, consider potential outcomes, and make choices based on their values and long-term goals. This skill also involves learning to take responsibility for their decisions and understanding the consequences. Developing good decision-making skills can lead to better problem-solving abilities and increased confidence. 5. Basic cooking and nutrition. Understanding how to prepare simple, healthy meals is a crucial skill for independence. Teens should know the basics of cooking, including how to follow a recipe, measure ingredients, and use kitchen tools safely. Additionally, understanding nutrition and the importance of a balanced diet can help teens make healthier food choices, which can have long-term benefits for their physical and mental well-being. 6. Household management. Teens should learn the basics of household management to prepare for living independently. This includes skills such as doing laundry, cleaning, organizing living spaces, and performing basic home maintenance tasks. Knowing how to manage a household can help teens become more self-sufficient and responsible, easing the transition to adulthood. 7. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence (EQ) involves understanding and managing one's own emotions, and recognizing and influencing the emotions of others. Teens with high emotional intelligence can better handle stress, empathize with others, and navigate social situations. Developing EQ involves learning to identify and label emotions, practice empathy, and develop healthy coping mechanisms for dealing with difficult situations. 8. Self-care and stress management. As teens face increasing academic pressures and social challenges, self-care and stress management become essential. Teens should learn the importance of maintaining a healthy work-life balance, getting enough sleep, exercising regularly, and finding activities that help them relax and recharge. Techniques such as mindfulness, deep breathing, and time in nature can be valuable tools for managing stress and promoting overall well-being. 9. Critical thinking and problem solving. Critical thinking involves analyzing information objectively and making reasoned judgments. It's about questioning assumptions, recognizing biases, and considering alternative perspectives. Teens who develop strong critical thinking skills are better equipped to solve complex problems, whether in school, work, or personal life. Encouraging teens to ask questions, seek out new information, and think creatively can enhance their problem-solving abilities. 10. Social skills and relationship building. Building and maintaining healthy relationships is a key aspect of life. Teens should learn how to form positive connections with peers, family members, and other adults. This includes understanding the importance of trust, respect, and effective communication in relationships. Developing social skills such as teamwork, conflict resolution, and empathy can help teens navigate social situations and build a strong support network. As teens prepare to enter adulthood, mastering these 10 life skills can provide them with the foundation they need to succeed. Whether it's managing their time effectively, making informed decisions, or building strong relationships, these skills will serve them well throughout their lives. By focusing on these areas, teens can develop the confidence, independence, and resilience necessary to thrive in the adult world.